Okay, so welcome back, and in this video we are going to see how to solve this compiled. So strings can only help you so far. So this is in a C program, and we are going to just go and decompile it. It's a pretty much like the easiest one you can have in your reverse engineering CTFs. Well, I've seen many of these types CTFs so far, so that will be interesting. So and one more thing, I will just give you like all the steps in GitHub which I have written. So just download this task, and you can just download it from here. I have already downloaded it, and so let me show you. So here it is. And the very first thing we are going to do is, let me copy this and the file, because we want to see like what file is it. This is going to be your very first step if you are going into reverse engineering. So you want to see like what file is there. We can already like see is that ELF64 LSB executable file. So just make it executable. I'm making it again. It's already an executable one, because you can see this. So now we have like all the permissions to just run it. So if we also do like let's even see in this color, do and this one. So now just try to run it, and it's asked for a password, so it indicates that like this file or this program is kind of like encrypted with some password. So now we will just give a test. That's gonna wrong, but okay, we want some ideas. Let's do like 1 2 3 4 and try again. So the very first tool we can use to just overpass or see have a peek. So first of all we need to have a peek in this, what kind of strings or what kind of like characters are in this file, because if we're going to do like vim in that, so you're going to see like you're not able to like read anything. So wow, maybe you can read something in it, but not like this. So like how I mean like how someone can read this. Maybe there will be some person on this planet who can just go with Vim, maybe like super users who always want to use Vim. So maybe some of the things we can just go and hear. Like I can't able to like see anything interesting from here, but maybe there are some person who knows. So let me quit this, and now what we can do. The first tool is like strings. So now this is interesting because we can already see like this try again. We have seen this one, and here the password. So in between that, there's like, do you even CDF? Maybe that's the password, because we need this correct one. What we are getting right now is try again. So let me just open this in here and let's copy this. Maybe this will be work, but it will not, because I know this is a like formatting string, so this not gonna work. We need that. We actually need that. We actually need this one. Okay, so we need to find this one. So that's it. And noob edge this string, like this is all the functions I want to go with. And entry zzz.c, maybe that's the file. It is written in C, so we can already see this like this is C code. So now further do, we will just go with Ghidra, and I have already have a new project. Maybe let me show you like how to. You have to just install Ghidra. Ghidra is so easy to install. It's not like pre-installed in Kali now, so you have to just go and install it, and then go to like new project. You have to create a new project. I will show you like how to do that, because it is yeah, it's a walkthrough. So we will just and have a project. We will go with Niga, and maybe that if I become famous or something, or maybe sometime like people will say like this guy is racist. So now we will. just go and just fire up this dragon because we want to eat something. So this is like code browser, and then import your file. Go to your file, import file. So just wait a second, and the file you have downloaded, put it here. Yeah, okay. Now it will just go. It's not eating actually, it's just importing, but that logo is so cool. So do you want to analyze it right now? You can analyze it and just see, but people can like analyze from here. So just cancel out. We will not do anything. Okay, just import this file. This is our summary, so you can just see it here from their like language ID and everything. Maybe if you're doing pen testing and you'll find this, you have to take a screenshot of this. Now we will just go. So here are our functions. So we are only interested in main functions. Let me just go and see the code. So because that's interesting, just go to our main function and then decompile. No function. We have to select main function for that. Are we in the main function? Yep. Let me put the disassemble. Wait a second. Now we have printf. We doesn't need that. We just need this main function to see. So is okay. So here we go. That's so slow, but because you can already see this, my processors are dying. They actually are dying. So now we have this. What we can do from here? This is a function fun00101060, and it's actually useless. Not actually useless, but it's an entry point. If somebody asks you like in C programming, like what's the entry point, so these are not the entry point. Let's start with the main function. So this here is one. So int, okay, so everything has been divided. We have given our variables. Okay, that's cool. So now here, if you can see this, let me maximize so you can also see. So I can actually see the password. Do we have a black screen? Let's not go. Okay. So now this scanf. Now this is actually like asking us for putting this. So there's like printf. Printf will just do this on a screen. Now here what scanf is doing is it's taking this do you even CDF into this AU stack 28, and then we move here. So ivar1 equals to str cmp, which is do handle, and then there is a logic. So this is the main part. If -1 is less than ivar1 and so and str do handle, so then print this. And if it is that, then do this. So anything we put which doesn't have this much, which follow in this logic, will be just print try again. And then if that's not the case, and if we have just somehow like put over new password, the correct password, with which is this, and in this init and equals to 0, and which we're gonna print correct. So now here, that S thing, like the formatting string. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, oh my god, this. Okay, this could be in it because it's actually encoded here. And uh, so what's the logic? How I found the password is, do you even or encoded CDF is basically going into this. Okay, this is basically this, and the OSTAC 28 is in it. So it's like encoded. Okay, you have to see like it's encoded, so it's actually saying like this is this. Okay, so what we can do is, do you even in it, then it will print us correct password. So that's the logic behind it. So if I just do you it should be even and in it. So now that's it. Well, this took me like 30 minutes to just go and describe everything. So I have written this here. So this is all the steps I have taken when I was just playing this one. So I'll put it in my GitHub here because I will always want to just put some steps or something like root flag, or I take a screenshot of that. So this is like what, like prompt the password, which was this like line is called like function 1010, what I've said in that file. So it's like useless. We can't able to like find password, and then input password is here, O stack 28, which is like replacing this one. Then first comprehension, the second comprehension, which was logic, and this was also, this is the basic logic behind this, and this was just like 0 and 1, what is correct, what is not. So we can just see this here, which was kind of like easy just by looking at it, but that was like easy CDF. Very easy CDF. If somebody is like into C and code a lot, so they can just like see it easily. But maybe we will go into like further more reverse engineering one in hack the box, because after doing like 50 or something, we will just move to hack the box, and we will just doing like hack the boxes. So that's it. Maybe I hope like you understand the logic behind it. So I will see you in the next one.